Okay, let's first represent, graphically what is going on. We have an aquarium, it's described as a rectangular box with its 3 dimensions, right? Here it has 80 inches, here 25 inches, and the height is 30 inches. But this actually aquarium contains water to a depth of 20 inches. So here there is, some water. This is 20 inches, the height of the water. And of course, it should be something like this, right? If we try and visualize this aquarium with water. So a solid block with a volume of 5,000 cubic inches is submerged in the aquarium, and how many inches does the water level rise? It only makes sense that if we submerged, one block that is solid in this water, and here the key word is submerge. What does submerge means? That the actual, level of water in the aquarium actually covers completely the submerged object. So imagine that this submerged object is something like this, okay? It's a block. This block measures this volume. So we could only think that the actual volume that now is occupied by the block will displace water upwards. So because of this, the new level of water in the aquarium will be something like this. Because now it will ascend a number of inches, x, which is exactly forming like a layer of water above the original level of water in the aquarium. But this kind of layer of water on top of the original volume, this layer of water will have to be equivalent in volume to the volume of the submerged block. Because, any object that is submerged in water displaces exactly the same volume that it occupies inside water. So it makes water raise. But here, the thing is that the volume of this layer, which is also, we can visualize this as another prism or a rectangular box whose dimensions are 80 inches length, 25 inches width, but the height is just X inches. And the volume of this block is exactly 5,000 cube inches. So this is it. We can calculate it by simply multiplying X by times 80 times 25 equals 5,000, because that's how we obtain the volume of a box, multiplying the 3 edges. So multiplying this, okay, you can see here that this one is 2,000, right? So, and you get X times this equals 5,000. So 2x equals 5 and x equals 5/2. So 2.5 inches is the rise in the water level.